welcome to Minecraft. So this is where perfect. Don't mind my dog. Don't mind anyone else in this house. Wait, where did I get this? Anyway, I am playing Mincer Raft and I hope you enjoy. So yeah, oh yay, look. It's me. It's me. If you want another gameplay after this, just comment below. I might make a new channel for that. But I'm too lazy right now, so yeah. Anyway, why am I crashing? Oh wait, I spawned right next to a village. It's awesome. Wait. Oh, I got a flower. Wait, did I pick that up? No. Oh well. Yeah, I was gonna do a gameplay in my other worlds, but you know, I kind of died and I raged. So I am going to take a better looking bed than that. Or that. I'm pretty sure they only have yellow and white. Oh well. Oh wait, no, I can use those flowers to dye it. I just need sheep and materials. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3. Okay. I do want to make this dye. Yeah, just need a bowl for that. Okay. Let me find some wood. I'm gonna go take this wood over here. They don't need this, right? Right. They don't need big giant tree in the way of their village. It was only disrupting their village, so they don't need it, and I'm taking care of it for them. So they can thank me later. So basically, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna make a house. And then if I end up making a different account, I will re-upload this. So if this is on my different account, then hi! But it isn't at the moment that I'm posting this on my original account. If you guys don't want me to make a different account, then I won't. But it just depends. Get me up! But yeah, it just depends if you guys want me to or not. I honestly don't care what you guys decide. So, if you guys decide you want me to, then great. If you don't, then that's great too. If you don't want me to continue this series, that's awesome. Dislike this video. If you want me to continue it, like the video. I'm kidding. Please like or dislike whichever one you want. I don't care. If you dislike, you're cool. If you like, you're cool too, but not as cool as the people who dislike. Why? You don't need to know that. So, yeah. Like I said, I had a different world than this, but you know, I died and the rage quit. Yeah, and my tongue is in pain because I bit it. I was messing with my dog and she hit my jaw, and then I bit it, and then I also had burned it with hot chocolate, so I burned my taste buds, and it was great. What a wonderful experience. Actually, I'm gonna steal their crops. I hope they don't mind. Here, I'll even be nice and plant some for them. I had pumpkins on my other server. Go away. I don't know what that was. You guys hopefully did not hear that. But, it was just a loud noise in the background, so I don't know what it was. Okay. Oh. Are you after me? Okay, he didn't see me hit the villager. It's all good. He is good. I'm taking all their carrots. I'm replanting them, of course, because I'm nice. I'm taking their potatoes too. That's poisonous, but whatever. Can I plant them? Poisonous? Nope. You know, eat it. Here, take the potatoes back. He's not walking towards me to kill me, right? Right? You love me. I never realized the color of Golden's eyes. You love me. Okay. Does anyone want a potato? It's just funny to see them run. Anyway, I'm gonna kill their cow. Thank you. I'll kill their other cow too. This poor horse is stuck. Is that supposed to be like that? Yes. Because they have that. You know what? Be free, horses. They can't be free like that. There you go. Be free, horses. You shouldn't be held in captivity any longer. I'm gonna steal their loot. Is anything in here? No. But I will gladly take this barrel. And this crafting table. I'm just stealing all my stuff from a village. Don't mind me. I'll take that later. I don't know what I need it for, really, but I'll take it later. Ooh, yes, ooh, now I only need a chest plate. Ooh. There, I'm beautiful. Okay. Oh yeah, do you guys like my skin? I made it myself. Yeah, I know I suck. But leave me alone. Okay, so... if I will put this down, thank you. Ooh, cow, come back. Oh my god, I thought that was a rat. I was like, did they add rats to Minecraft? Thank you. Chicken. Get back here, chicken. Get back here. Thank you. Give me your levels. Thank you. Give me. Thank you. I'd be grateful if you could give me 2 wool. Alright, 1 will work for now. I just put all this back here. is a pig. There is a pig. There are two pigs actually. I'm eating all my bread. Oh yeah, I forgot. Pigs like carrots. Can I eat my bread and my carrots in peace? Don't ask me how I forgot. Okay, you bread, now you deserve to die. I'm sorry, kiddo, you had to see your parents go like this, like right after they died. But you know what? Here you go. I will kill you when you are older. So you'll be able to join them. Okay, it is actually turning nighttime, so I'm gonna pick a house and I'm gonna sleep in there for now. And I think, stop! I think I'm just gonna make my house in this village. You know what? Take your bed for the night. Thank you. Bye. Wait. I like this house. I'm like gonna steal stuff from that house. Anyway, oh my god. Can I like ever sprint? Oh wait, that's a barn? These exist? Hold up. I've never... What? I haven't seen one of these ever when I've gone into a village. Like, you're probably like, oh my god, you're so dumb, Hanaki. But you know what? Shut up. I have played Minecraft since I was 5. So listen here. Shut up. Yeah, that could just stay there. I don't care. Okay. Actually, this is gonna be my guest room for now. Okay. Do I get 2 stacks? Yeah, 2 stacks and 20. Hey, let me make 4 chests. Oh, bang, bang, bang. Anyway, let's make some sticks. Then I can make a golden sword, but I'm not. I'm gonna make a hoe. If you get that reference, you're good for you. And I'll make a shovel, cause why not? No. I do not need anything else. Okay. I have a poorly made inventory, but it's fine. I have an axe. What am I doing? Thank you. I don't know why I would need it, but I want it. Axes like do a lot of damage for some reason. But anyway. Thank you. Oh my goodness, you're gonna be my last sheep. See, buddy, I won't have to kill you. I won't have to kill you, but I want to kill you. Okay, thank you. Anyway, I need to mine so I can get stuff. You know, like a furnace. Anyway, I'm just gonna take a little bit of cobblestone from over here. If you're wondering what you probably aren't, but I did not actually start playing Minecraft on a PC like I am now, even though it's like an Xbox because, yeah, but I'm actually on a PC. It's just like an Xbox or a PS4 or something. But I actually started playing Minecraft on a PS3 when my brother had bought the game. Why he bought the game? I think like a couple of his friends were playing it at the time. He was 9, because he's 4 years older than me, so, yeah. But, anyway. Okay. Okay, I had carrots. Why didn't I just eat those? And I have 1 slice of bread. Why didn't I just eat that? Cooked food is way better. Anyway. I know I'm dumb for making, food furnaces, but I really want my food to cook. Bang, 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 here we go. I am making food, and I also need to make a house. I do not want to make it in the village anymore. Even though I'd get tons of food there, I do not want to make it in the village. I don't know why, I just don't. So yeah. I have no idea where I want to make it, but I did make a boat, so I kind of want to go overseas to find some more land. I said that weird, but whatever. Yeah. I'm done. I can't do commentary, so if you really honestly like this video, then congrats for you. You are dumb. Why would you like this video? Perfect. Shut up, I'm not trying to be rude to you, but why would you like this video? I'm bad at commentary. I'm just waiting for my food. I used to think it was so cool when we could sprint, we could go over 1 block spaces. I was a dumb kid. Dang it. Bang, bang, bang. Whatever coming, let's go out with the bang. Bang, bang, bang. Yeah, I'll burn them later. I find it weird that, never mind, but don't question why I do things my way. It's just easier for me, I guess. But whatever, it's fine. Okay, so I want to find some iron before I go. I should probably get coal as well. Oh my god, you wanna know a dumb thing I did? Oh, there's a cave right there. A dumb thing I did was think that I couldn't mine coal with a stone pickaxe. Or not coal, I couldn't mine iron with a stone pickaxe. That's what it was. What else am I supposed to mine it with? Oh, whatever. That wasn't on the server though. This is on a different server. And I'm sorry if my brightness is really low for your screen. It's not for me. I have it like as you can see, I have it all the way up. This would be it all the way down. Can't see anything. Yeah, so it doesn't actually go too high, but it's higher than 0, so just deal with it. Yeah, so yeah, like I told you, I'm bad on commentary, so. Oh my goodness, can I just find this one piece of art? Okay. Okay, can you die? I'm just gonna get enough so I at least have one set. Hopefully. And I'm gonna get coal as well. Okay, so when we originally got Minecraft on the PS4, when I originally got Minecraft on the PS4, we couldn't go to servers. Now we can, but it's hard. Now, we should be able to, but they haven't set that up yet. Whatever, but still. Okay, how much do I have? I have 28. I at least have enough for armor and a sword. I'm just gonna get a few more so I can get all my tools. Then I'm gonna get a lot of coal. How much coal do I have? Almost a stack, so I think I'm good on coal for now. But coal is an important item, so and it runs out quickly. Oh, wow. So I only really need one more, but do I want one more? I have enough for a stack, or for a stack. Yeah, I have 20 something. I have 30 iron, and that's enough for a stack of iron. Where did I come from? Did I come from here? Okay, you guys are probably like yelling at me like you're so dumb. You didn't. Bro, where'd you come from? Oh. You trying to hit me? You trying to hit me? Thank you. Yeah, I think you guys are right on this one. This is not where I came from. But you know what? We're gonna stick. Where did that come from? Did that come from up there? Where is that coming from? Oh, did it come from down there? It did! Wow, how could you? Thank you for your help. Okay, thank you. Okay, if I could get up. Jesus. Jesus! Did not notice. Oh my god, just get me up. Okay, I'm lost! Yay! Why is it always easy to get lost in caves? This is why you bring torches, not because it's dark. Oh my god, I literally looked over here. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I looked over here and I thought it was like full of creepers or something. I'm dumb. You guys are right. I am dumb. Thank you for telling me. Okay, just gonna use the boat so I can get away from everything. At the moment. I wonder if there's a witch's hut over here. Is that what it's called? I forget. I forgot because I don't play it as much as I used to. I think it's a witch's hut though. Wee wee wee. Wee lily pad. I just ran over the lily pad I just placed. Come back. Thank you. With me, and you'll be in a world of destruction and zombies. Oh my god, so I did not realize it before, but an Enderman's code is please do not, do not, do not, do not, actually, it's a lie. I have food. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't want to die. Whoa, 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 wait, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. That's a creeper. Okay, that's like a dozen creepers. Thank you. Oh crap, did not notice you. Come here, fight me, fight me, fight me, fight me. I have half iron armor. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I already have leggings and a chest, and not a chest plate, and boots and a helmet. I am. At least I'll have an extra pack. I don't really need to make it though, so like I'm not gonna. Oh my god, is my inventory full already? Like, jeez. Okay. Oh no. Jesus Christ, creeper. No, leave me alone! This nigga. You know what? I might as well take them. I want this hoe. I want this shovel. Oh my god, yes. Yes, I need the flint. I need the flint! Did something just die? I just saw smoke over here. Did something just die? Okay, I'm gonna make my house right here. It's gonna be a small cottage like. Because I only have 72. So. That'll be big enough. Yes, there's only 3. Where are my doors? In here. Thank you. Okay, and then. Dang it, why do I keep doing that? Okay, why did I place my doors down? I knew I had to put the flooring in. Okay, can I break a door? Oh my god. Thank you. Where is my shovel? Be way easier. No, I want to dig. Thank you. Look at my beautiful house. I just need a chimney. Wait, I can make a chimney. hold up. There we go. There, now I have a chimney. Okay, and a place to put all of my things. Why did I put it here? Because then it is near the portal. I know what to do that. That's dumb. Anyway. I already need to pickaxe. LOL. Anyway, why did I just say LOL? It's dumb. Whatever. Okay. Ooh, don't mind me just putting my stuff away that I don't need at the moment. Oh, yeah, I can close that. Wait, where did I get a bow? I did not realize I got a bow from that. Okay. Okay. Wonderful. I have a lot of storage. Okay. I did that wrong. Okay. Don't mind me just doing stuff. Actually, hold up. Hold up. I need wood. There. Wrong thing. There, as you can see, I have a mouse. So that proves I am on my PC, and like I said, it's like a commentary. So I'm sorry that I've been so quiet this entire time. Yeah, my iron's cooking. Ah! I was dumb. Okay, Okay. Let's not be dumb again. I am still getting used to PC, so leave me alone. I only need 2 more pieces. Wow, that's surprising. And that's a big portal. And I need food. Thank you. Okay, so I can make. Okay, if I have sticks, I can make it. Oh, I did the math wrong. I was too off. Too off. It's fine for now. I don't really need it at the moment. Full iron. Full iron. Stuff and flint and steel ready to go to the nether. With a bunch of food. I keep these just in case. Thank you. Okay. Are you guys ready to go to the nether? Are you ready? Oh my god, I'm only 44 minutes in. Wow! Okay, so I'm gonna have to stop the video. But if you want a part 2, and if you want this to be on a different channel, please tell me. But if you want this to, if you want a part 2, then like, subscribe maybe. And if I end up making a new channel, I will link it down below in the description. But, I haven't yet. Right, so, yeah. Yeah. Alright, so next time I'm on, I might, or might not, be on with my friend. If I'm on with my friend, I'm gonna have to get her ready before I start the video. But, yeah, if I'm not, then I'm not. Who cares? Alright, so bye y'all. Bye.